Okay guys, welcome back, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to register your domain name and how to host it with Harmonweb hosting company. So guys, I'll be taking you right into my browser now. Here we are guys. The first thing you want to do here is you want to go to harmonweb.com. So you type in harmonweb.com in your browser URL this way. Then once you land on the front page, you navigate to the domain menu, because you are registering your domain name, your website domain name or your business domain name first. Now you click on domain registrations. So once you land here, you want to search for your domain name, whichever name you have chosen to use for your business. So in this case, I'm using this particular one, 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝒛g, because I'm registering a .com.ng website. So once you are done typing, you want to search to be sure that the domain name is available, and if not, you'll be given alternatives, or you might have to change the name of your website. That's the domain name. You might have to change it. So as you can see, this is available. 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝒛g is available at 1,300 naira. Okay, this should be the cost of the domain name. So as you can see, you'll be given other varieties as well, .ng, .biz, .net, .xyz, .media, and so on. You can search for them here, but once you are given the one you looked for, the one you searched for, so you don't really need to start looking around. So just add to carts this way. Then you want to check out. As you can see, the price 1,003. So now guys, we are here. So you've been able to select your domain name. Now the next thing is to host it. You need to choose a hosting plan. Now what do you want to do next is either you click on continue, or you click on this red letters. As you can see, it says no hosting, click to add. So just click on it this way, and it takes you to where you can select your hosting package. As you can see, these are the basic ones, so to say. So we have the starter plan, we have the classic plan, we have the VIP plan. But for a startup business, you can make do with this. You can make do with the starter plan first. You can always upgrade at any point in time. You can always upgrade. So as your business expands, then you want to upgrade your hosting in order for it to be able to accommodate more files and more documents that you'll be uploading. You understand? As you can see, these are the benefits, or should I say the features. So, and this is a monthly plan. As you can see it here, this is a monthly plan. So I would show you how to select for a yearly plan, but this is for monthly. And you can see the features here: 2 hosted domains, 12 gig web storage, unlimited bandwidth, 50 email accounts, 20 MySQL database, 1 free domain .com.ng. But I think this free domain only comes if you are paying for 12 months. So in this case, I'm paying for just a month. You get, so I'll be selecting this. So it depends on what you think your business will be needing. You might need to go for the classic plan or the VIP plan, either the classic plan or the VIP plan. Now here I'll be going with the starter plan. So you scroll down, you click on order now. It's asking me if I want to use this domain name, the one I already selected. As you can see, use the domain already in my shopping cart. So you click on use, just confirm that it's still the name you selected for your domain name that you have here. So then you want to click on what? You want to click on use. Now once it loads up, you have nothing much to do, only to select your billing cycle. So you come down here, you select if you want it monthly, if you want it twice a year, if you want it once payment. As you can see, the 12 months price comes with a free domain, but like I said, I'll be selecting a month for the purpose of this video. Now once you are done selecting, you have nothing else to do here. Then you want to click on continue this way. So you can preview all that you have selected so far. This is the hosting plan, shared hosting for 998 naira. That's for monthly. Then your domain registration, confirm the name. In your own case, you have to confirm is still your business name or the name you have chosen to register as your website name. Then this is the price here, 1,300 naira. So you can just check the other summary here. You can see subtotal 2,207.30 naira. So you have nothing else to do. Just check it, check through. You have nothing else to do, so you just check out from here this way. Now here you would have to fill in your personal info. You fill in your name. If you have an account with Harmonweb, then you want to click on already registered, but if not, then you want to register freshly with them. Now I'll be typing in my name. So you type in your name, your email address, your phone number, then your billing address, and every other info that is being required of you. So now you want to scroll down and confirm everything is okay. Are you a developer? Then you select either yes or no. You can say no. Additional info, how did you find us? You can just tell them via just say others. Okay, you are creating it for yourself. So domain registration info, okay, same as. Now you want to create your password. So you have to make sure the combination of your password is alphanumeric, so because it has to be strong, and you have to make sure this line is showing green. So the green means the password is strong enough. Then you can, let's see, payment due. Then you select your payment method. So you can go by bank transfer or you select 𝗧𝗏𝗺. Just select your means of payments, then agree to their terms of service. You can opt out of their emails being sent to you, but I will advise you leave it so you can get updates on their promo or whatever it is that they are changing about their business. Then you click on complete order, so it takes you straight to the next page. Just follow prompts. In case while you are making your payments you run into any error, so you should find a way to navigate into your client area. So if you run into any error, just be rest assured that your profile has been created. As you can see mine here, it says 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗏 𝗟𝗏𝗕𝗏 Daniel. So that means my profile has been created. I actually ran into an error while I was trying to make payments with the 𝗧𝗏𝗺. So now you just click on client area and it brings you here. This is what you are going to see. You have one unpaid invoice with, just click on this arrow like this, it takes you back to the invoice. Now you click on this, as you can see, click on it, then it takes you straight to the invoice. Okay, I hope you guys saw the invoice. So it's going to bring you to the 𝗧𝗏𝗺 checkout. You want to input your card details and pay with your card. So you can explore other options, but I would recommend you just make payment with your card straight up so you don't have issues. I might have to pause this video at this point now. As you can see guys, an OTP has been sent to my phone. I'll be inputting the OTP now. So once the OTP has been confirmed, then your payment, as you can see, the payment has been confirmed. Thanks for your payment. Your transaction was completed successfully. So at this point you should get a debit alert. So it's loading. So once it loads up, you want to go straight back to your client area. There's your account dashboard. So guys, we are back up. As you can see, this is the client area. We have nothing like the other notification we had the other time telling us we are having pending payments. So this is your client area now. This is your dashboard. Okay, now the next thing is you need to check your emails for different emails sent to you by Harmonweb. So let me go right into my email now. I might not be opening most of those emails because I'm very sure they'll be confidential. This is one of those. Okay, so we are going to get emails like this. So among these emails, Okay, the first thing is, I think, the email verification. So this should be the first thing you should do. Verify your email. Just click on this and verify it straight up. Okay, the email has been verified, so you can go to the client area. Let's click to go to the client area now. So let's check the emails. One of the emails should carry your, let me refresh the email, should carry your domain details, not this, not this. Okay, I think this is the particular one I'm looking for. 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏world.com.ng account info. I'm very sure this is it. So guys, I might not be revealing some sensitive info here, but just scroll down. I might have to cut a part of the video. So guys, like I said, this is the particular email you are looking for, account info. So just scroll down, you get your password, you get so many other things about the domain name and the hosting. It has a lot of sensitive info that, like I said, I won't be revealing. So that's it guys. Let's go back to the client area. So from here, you want to click on services to check. As you can see, this is it. This is it. So everything is up now. Another thing I need to quickly show you is how to run your auto SSL so that you can have your site locked. As you can see, no SSL detected. So that's the next thing I'll quickly be showing you now. Now, as you can see, this padlock guys, so this padlock needs to turn to green. That shows your website is locked. SSL has been activated on it. But now what you just have to do is you need to leave it for a while, for like within 3 to 6 hours. Your website will be propagated. Until it has been propagated, you won't be able to do anything. Let's check the email that they sent. You should see something like that. Okay, as you can see here now, it says uploading your website. Temporarily, you may use one of the address given below too. So you can see this is the website URL. If I click on it now, it's not going to load up. It's not going to load, as you can see now. So you have to leave it for some hours and come back. So everything will be okay. And on your dashboard, let's go back to client area. Once you get to the client area, the first thing you want to do now is to enable your registrar lock. And how do you do that? You go to click on domain. Okay, from the domain dashboard, you want to click on this spanner icon. As you can see, it says domain currently unlocked. You should enable the registrar lock unless you are transferring the domain. So we are not transferring the domain. We want to enable the registrar lock. So just check by your left hand side and you should find something like this, registrar lock. Click on it and you want to do what? You want to enable it. Click on this green enable button. Okay, it has been enabled. Now you want to go back to the client area. So once you get to the client area like this, you want to click on services. Then you want to click on manage. From manage, you scroll down. As you can see, so it's still saying no SSL detected. So the next thing you want to do now is to go to your cPanel. Then under this one click login, you click on cPanel. Skip it. Now you want to search for SSL status. Let's click on it. Once you get here now, you should be able to know if your SSL is active with this green icon. As you can see, the SSL is already active here. And if in your own case you still have it red, then you want to click on run auto SSL. Let's do that and see. Okay, SSL check has completed. This page will refresh in 5 seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's do it once again to be sure. Click on this to make sure every domain here has been checked. Then you want to run it again. Let's see. says success, the auto SSL check has completed. Okay, that is something very important for us to do. In fact, it is one of the first things you need to do after purchasing your domain name and getting your hosting plan. Let's go back to the cPanel environment, click on tools, and this is from where we are going to pick it next, installing WordPress on your website. So I'll be going back to the client area now. Now guys, let's open the website and be sure it has been propagated. I actually left it for some hours to be sure that the website would be propagated. We can check that again to be sure. So I'll be heading to my email now to click on the link like I did the other time. Alright guys, now we are here. Let's see. Okay, this is the link. Now guys, you should take note of this particular link here. As you can see, it says HTTP. Now I'll be clicking on it firstly to confirm if the website has been propagated. Now let's see. Okay, now it's loading up. So another concern now is this not secured. Now this simply means your website is vulnerable to hacking. Now what you want to do is, let me go back and copy that link. You want to make sure your HTTP has an S in front of it. The S signifies secure. Let me put it here so you can see. Then you had an S, and make sure if you are sharing the link, this is the particular link you are sharing, but as you make use of the website, the HTTPS would be active. So just open it and see. The not secured will no longer be there. As you can see, this padlock now is now locked. As you can see it now, this is the secured version of your domain name. So henceforth, this is what you'll be making use of, and as you use the website, this is what would be popping up as your domain name. So the S there is very, very important. Let's go back to the clients area. So that'll be all for now guys. I'll be coming to the end of this video now. I remain Olusola Daniel. I hope this helps you with your domain name registration and hosting. Thank you guys. Make sure you are always having a great time.